Let's put some yeller straps on it. Or let's put some yellow stripes on this Frankenstrat. Let's go. First of all, subscribe, please. And stay tuned to the end of this video. I will be giving away something that will help you build your Frankenstrat. It helped me tremendously, and it's the best one out there. So check it out at the end of this video. In the immortal words of my 12th grade shop teacher, Roy Cantrell, boys, let's get our fingers out of our fannies and let's get to work. Here we go. Start at the very tip. Perfect. Okay. Next one is this one.
Looking good. She's been baking out here in the garage for about 30 minutes. Now let's reveal how cool this stripe pattern is going to be. Oh, that is so cool. It kind of looks orange in this light, but it is some bright yellow. Once over, make sure I get all the tape off. Beautiful.
Well, the paint job on the guitar body was a success. I think it came out fantastic. And you can see where we flip-flop the white and the black stripes, and then instead of red, we did yellow, just like I said, and it came out fantabulous. But as you can compare even the back on the red, white, and black one, you can see it's just everything's the opposite. Where the black stripes are now white and the white stripes are now black, and where it's red, it's yellow. So you can kind of see the contrast of these two builds and what this one is going to become. But I think it came out fantastic. Can't ask for a better paint job. May clear coat it. What I'm going to do now is do kind of just a mock-up, and then in part 3 of this video series, I'm going to finish it completely. That's get the neck on it, get the electronics done. There's some specialty stuff he wants done with the electronics that isn't normally done in a Frankenstrat. This pickup's going to be live, and in the middle position, we're supposed to put a telly pickup. He's sending that. I tracked it, and it should be here Monday. So and this is Friday, so over the weekend it's supposed to show up Monday. And he's got a couple other parts he's sending along with it. So, but anyway, this thing's been a success, and let's do a mock-up really quick before the end of this video. Okay, here's the parts mock-up on it. That's with the black Floyd. It's going with, of course, a gold whammy bar. We're going with volume, and we're going to have a 4-way switch here. Humbucker, Telecaster, neck pickup, and a Strat bridge pickup in the neck position. That's how it was ordered, so you can see on the mock-up how cool this thing's going to be. But there is still a couple things we got to change about it. Of course, it's going to look different with strings on it and everything. And we're going to put a Kramer logo up here. Apparently, this is an older Kramer neck, and this was cut in professionally as far as the Floyd nut. But that's a Jackson Floyd Rose. It's going to look a little bit different than this, not much. It'll look better once we get the strings on it. It's going to have some special wiring on it, like I said, with a 4-way switch there. Regular jack, nothing special about that. He wanted a kill switch, but not enough room really. I could possibly put one right there, but I'm afraid you might hit it with your fingers and you'll be killing it. So if a kill switch was going to go somewhere, it'd have to fit like right in here. And man, that would be a tight fit. But anyway, check it out. I'll shoot you some pictures. But for right now, here comes the thing I promised at the beginning of the video. This is the pattern that you need to build one of these. I just follow it loosely. I get it close, as you can see.